the Twilight Zone. It sounds awesome, right? And it is. The Twilight Zone is essentially an area that's below the limits of normal recreational scuba diving technology, but above where you would send an ROV or a submersible of some sort. And so there's this narrow band, sort of 200 to 500 feet that's totally unexplored. Half of what we see down there is unknown to science, and we want to be able to study those animals. We've developed that technology and the skill within the academy in order to be able to do exploration diving in that region.